Hello everyone and welcome back. So I decided that this will be the last video of 2020 and I really want to film something that it is not a makeup tutorial or makeup look. So this 2020 made me thinking about so many things, especially material things, and I am aware that here on YouTube I'm talking about materialistic things. I'm talking about certain product, certain brush, no matter what. But I really want people to realize that yes, I'm talking about certain product, but you do not have to buy it. You do not need to have absolutely everything that you see here on YouTube. You don't need to have every holiday collection from every brand. Like for example, everyone wanted to have that Chanel blush this year, so you are not losing anything if you don't buy that certain blusher. So yesterday big earthquake happened here in my country, in Croatia. And also COVID happened this year in whole world, not just here but globally, and we are in second lockdown, which is just out of this world. I never thought that we would be in lockdown, and now we are in second lockdown, which is completely wild. So just to sum this all up, I think that we should not think that we do not need materialistic things, that we do not need this shirt or this lipstick when COVID hits or when earthquake happens or whatever. It doesn't matter if it's a virus or earthquake or floods or no matter what. I think that we should have that mental, just that way of thinking, even when everything is normal, when everything is balanced, let's say like that. I think it's a better word to use to just explain this whole situation. And I know that we all have passions. I have passion for makeup. You can see it here, and of course that I have more makeup that I actually need, and it's okay to have passions. And it's okay to collect something, but I think that we should almost wait what we want and what we need. And we do not, speaking of makeup, we do not need 40 different lipsticks. We do not need, I don't know, 30 different eyeshadow palettes. If you are a makeup lover, of course you want maybe this palette and that palette. You will have a bit more palettes than a person who just does makeup in the morning, just like it's like a routine. And I completely understand that, but I also think that we shouldn't be bothered with amount of makeup that we have in our collection. And now I'm talking just about makeup, but it can be clothes, it can be, I don't know, candles. Many people are really obsessed with candles. I have, I don't know how many candles around the house. Everything in big amounts is, if you ask me, is not, it's just not, it's not good. And it is focusing on material things. And also last year I filmed video before Christmas where I was just talking about that it is not holidays and this whole Christmas season, who celebrates Christmas, it is all about what should I buy? Should I buy this? Should I buy that? Shouldn't I buy? Shouldn't I bought? It's all about gifts, it's all about materialistic things, it's all about Black Friday, it's all about just everything that in the end of the day is not important. And again, I think that we should be very aware of those things, even if when it's not COVID, when it's not something happening which is very terrific, and we should always be aware of those things, because of course you can buy that beautiful shampoo for your hair and you will have beautiful shiny hair and it's very soft and everything, and that pleasure and that happiness can be here for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, but in the end of the day, when you lay in your bed and when you know that these terrible things are happening all around the world, something that we even are not aware of, those things are important. So for the end, I want to thank everyone who has commented on my videos, leave a beautiful comment, who liked my videos, who watched my videos, share them. I just want to say a big thank you to all of you. I'm highly honored that you like it, but please remember those things that you remember by the end of your day when you lay in your bed. Those things are important. No lipstick, no palette, no beautiful shampoo, nothing can replace those people, those feelings and everything. And I'm sending you a big kiss, a big virtual hug to all of you, and I want you just all